Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Haven't I told you before that whenever you make that, you can't be in a bad mood. You every time are happy or funny or something like that. Isn't that great? Yes. What I want to talk to you today is actually, have you ever observed when you get creative at one day or you do any other work? So means you want to draw something and you feel, oh my god, today is not my day, everything goes wrong, and then it comes more worse, and nothing seems to fit at that day. So there is one malheur after the other. And have you ever experienced that you can stop this kind of state? So maybe next time when you are in a state like that, that you think, oh my god, nothing is fits me, and nothing is good today, my paintings are too bad, and something like this, then just sit down for a minute, calm yourself, and do like that. Just gently close your eyes. And take a deep breath in, a deep breath out, a deep breath in, a deep breath out, a deep breath in and a deep breath out. We do it together now. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. And one more time. Inhale deeply. Hold it for a while. And exhale deeply. So maybe now you feel more relaxed and your worries seem to be more far away from you. Now, please say that. Everything what I do is good. Everything I do is good. Everything I do is good. Say this 3 times. feel that you have the right to be like that. It's your birthright. That whatever you do is good. That you are good. You are unique. Everything I do is good. Dearest friends, just try it out. I would love to hear your experience with this. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful, happy, happy day. Bye-bye.